Today I will introduce the welding process at the capsule filter element model RK127. First, put in the air inlet nozzle and start the machine. The machine will heat and cool the upper cover threads. This equipment is equipped with the air cutoff hover function to make the production process safer and more convenient. After welding is completed, you can take out the product to check the effect. The second step is to put in the 7 filter elements and the air inlet. Start the machine and extract vacuum to secure it. Then check whether the filter element is placed horizontally and whether the welding surface is flat. After the inspection is completed, the machine can be started for welding. Hot melt and solidify. Because this filter element draws vacuum through a vacuum pump to achieve adsorption, even if there is no adsorption, it will not affect the removal and placement of the product. The final step is welding the finished product. Put in the product and start the machine. The machine first removes the upper cover for hot melt solidification. This machine has a vacuum braking function, so we can instantly remove the welded product. After completion, lift and return the welded product. In this way, a set of products is completed by welding.